Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so changes behave predictably. Confirm Word and OS updates are installed and that your document is saved. Once done, open Word and go straight to File Account to check Office theme options. This is where Word often inherits a dark interface. Make sure your display mode isn't controlled by a system-level dark or high contrast setting. If you use add-ins that modify UI, disable them temporarily so you can isolate the source of the black background. Now you'll change both Word and system themes to remove the black canvas. In Word, select File Account and pick White or Colorful. This changes ribbons and page color controls. On Windows, go to Settings Personalization Colors and pick Light, and then check High Contrast is off. On Mac, open System Preferences General and choose Light Appearance. After each change, close and reopen the affected document to confirm the page background switches from black to white rather than just the UI chrome. To finish, explicitly set the page color. Go to Design Page Color and choose White or No Color so the canvas is restored. Then switch to Print Layout View under View to ensure you're seeing the actual printable page rather than a reading mode theme. If the background persists, open Word in Safe Mode to rule out add-ins or templates. You can start Safe Mode by holding Control while launching Word or using the /safe switch. One key tip: test with a new blank document. If it's fine, the problem is document-specific, often removable by copying content into a fresh file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.